He can be yours too. I wanna sing it, I wanna dance now, 'cause I believe it. Shout it loud. Jesus loves everyone, everywhere around the world. We're singing Jesus loves everyone, everywhere around the world. No matter who you are, no matter where you're at, Jesus loves you. What you think about that? Now Jesus loves everyone, everywhere around the world. Hey, clap your hands, tell all your friends, Jesus that loves everyone. Stomp your feet, shout and we'll sing, Jesus that loves everyone. Come on and clap your hands, tell all your friends, Jesus that loves everyone. Come on and stomp your feet, shout and we'll sing, Jesus that loves everyone. Jesus loves everyone, everywhere around the world. We're singing Jesus loves everyone, everywhere around the world. No matter who you are, no matter where you're at, Jesus loves you. What you think about that? Now Jesus loves everyone, everywhere around the world.
You know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. We with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. We with you.
Oh, hi friends, I'm Manny. My friends and I are having a party, and Zoe's in charge of the cupcakes. She said they're all ready. I can't wait to see them. Are you ready? Count to 3 with me. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! What? Oh no! The cupcakes! Oh, the frosting fell off. It's all on the lid. Zoe must have dropped them and not told anyone. These cupcakes are ruined. Look, no frosting. Look, all the frosting. This is awful. This is terrible. What are we gonna do? We can't have a party without awesome cupcakes. I can't believe Zoe did this.
Ooh.
Hey, it's Ollie.
Hello, Manny. Ooh. Upset with one of your friends, are you?
Oh, hi, Ollie. I think Zoe dropped the cupcakes and now they're on the stop.
I see that you're mad. It's true. But Jesus can help you know what to do. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Ooh.
Follow me through, follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Pull! Oh, Barkley wins! Oh, hi, I'm Carrie, and this is my best dog, Stormy Jane, and her friend, Barkley. They were just having the best time playing tug-of-war, weren't you guys? They love each other very much. Hey, that reminds me of a story. We've been learning that Jesus loves everyone, but there was once a man who wasn't sure if Jesus loved him. This true story from the Bible begins with a man named Zacchaeus. That's a fun name to say. Can you say that with me? Zacchaeus. One more time. Zacchaeus. Good job. Zacchaeus was a tax collector. His job was to collect money from everyone in town. Let's count with Zacchaeus. Each person owes 1 coin. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Great. Wait, what is Zacchaeus doing? He's going back for more money? That's not right. Those people already paid. But that's what Zacchaeus did. He took more money than he was supposed to, and he kept it for himself. It was wrong, and it made everyone mad at Zacchaeus. But one day, something wonderful happened. Jesus came to town. Everyone was so excited to see him. Zacchaeus was excited too, so he went to see Jesus. But there was one problem. Zacchaeus was too short to see Jesus over all the people. Maybe Zacchaeus could jump and see Jesus. Let's tell Zacchaeus to jump. Are you ready? Jump, 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 jump. That's not working. If only there was something Zacchaeus could climb to see over all the people. Oh, a tree! Yes, Zacchaeus could climb the tree. Let's cheer him on. Ready? Climb, 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 climb. Now Zacchaeus could see Jesus, and Jesus could see Zacchaeus. Jesus said, "Zacchaeus, come down right away. I want to go to your house today." All the people thought, why would Jesus want to go with him? He has made so many bad choices. But do you think there is anything we can do to make Jesus stop loving us? No. Even if we get put in timeout, does Jesus still love us? Yes. Jesus loves us no matter what. And Jesus loves Zacchaeus even though he had made bad choices. Zacchaeus was so happy that Jesus loved him and was his friend that he gave back all the money he took from the people. Wow. Jesus loved Zacchaeus, and Jesus loves you too. Jesus loves everyone. Let's celebrate because Jesus loves everyone. Oh, hey, Ollie. Ollie, tell me, who does Jesus love?
Jesus loves everyone. Yes, it's true. Now, let's hear it from you. Tell me, who does Jesus love?
Jesus loves everyone. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. See you next time.
So there's your story. And it's all true. Zacchaeus did something wrong. But Jesus loved him and loves me and you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Ooh, ooh.
Wow. Jesus loved Zacchaeus even though he made bad choices. Jesus loves everyone. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good. Zoe's my friend, and even though she messed up the cupcakes, I know Jesus still loves her, and I love her too. You know, I think I can fix these. I can put the frosting back on. Yes! I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Do everything in love. 1 Corinthians 16:14. Do everything in love. 1 Corinthians 16:14.